how to use the controls on your Drepre K7 Pro wireless stick vacuum. This is just a quick video to show you basically how this screen here works. So basically I'm gonna go ahead, we have the power button here, and then we can change the power level here. So if I turn it on, you'll see here, you get this number here. This is the percentage battery there is. This battery is completely full right now, so it's at 100%. A full battery. We have it on L here, which means it's the lowest setting that it's vacuuming, and I can turn that up to medium. You can hear it speeds up, and to high. So there's two other things on here, which if you can see them, one is this light here, this little dots here. This is when the bin gets full, it will start to not suction as well, and this will start to blink. I'll actually show you. You can actually see it here. If I go like this, if I just plug it up, it'll see now it's blinking there. You see that blinking there now? So that's indicating that it's full. I basically pretended it was full by jamming it up with my hand. And then there's another blockage. If there's a blockage within the mechanism, there is another alarm that will go off here. So if you're interested in this vacuum or any replacement parts for it, I'll go ahead and put a link down below. Thanks a lot for watching.